G'day, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the control side of your blind from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. The first thing you'll need to do is take down your blind. There's a clear plastic cog at the opposite end of the chain that you need to turn anti-clockwise and slide out of the bracket. You've got a control end bracket and a pin end bracket. You'll need to uninstall those and swap them over onto the opposite sides of the window. You can now slide the components out of both ends. It's important that you line up the components with the internal shape of the tube, and then slide them straight back in on the other side. From there, put the blind back up and check to make sure it works. Your roller blind control side should now be changed over, but if you need help, please give DIY Blinds a call.